Okay. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's very hard teaching acquisitions person creative financing. So, uh, the other thing here is, what was your largest deal to date you've done this year, and how did you find that deal?
Yeah, so that's the one I just talked about. It was 70,400. That property was it's 1301 Deer Run, Winter Springs, Florida, right? So you guys can look it up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's
Winter
get into
Springs, Florida.
details.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, so hey, listen, we got to do the details, right? It's bags to riches, so we got to make sure that we're coming correct. So that was actually last month, so very very recent. And what ended up happening was it was a short sale. So it was a older lady. She was in a nursing home, and we kind of caught it early. Actually, midst of the pandemic, and through there we were working on short selling, short selling, short selling until finally we were able to beat them up on a good price. You know, BPO came back at a very good price, and we ended up wholesaling it for 70,400.
Wow. So you wholesale the short sale.
Wholesale the short sale.
Wow. Very interesting.
So
Okay.
you know what's crazy, right? This was the first time that it happened. So this was the first time, and trust me, I still don't even know how it happened. But there was no deed restriction. We did a double closing, and
Oh, okay.
the bank did not. They didn't say anything to us. So, and the title company
Okay.
looked at the short sale approval, and there was nothing about a deed restriction or anything. So we went with it. Knock on wood, they don't call me back for them, for anything like that. But it's been about a month now, so I think we're
Okay.
good.
I mean, this is a big podcast, but it's not that big. Or I don't think the HUD's watching this, but that's great, man.
Now,
That's insane. So you're definitely speaking a lot of languages here. If you're starting out, BPO, short sales, guys, a
sorry.
little more of an advanced term.
Yeah.
Getting into wholesaling shorts, like if you're a guy like Brandon, it works, and you can do those crazy strategies. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.